Hello, my name's Ted Veit. I teach Finance 601, Advanced Financial Management. As you know, the core financial management course at Crummer looks at how to make decisions to manage a company. Things like how to evaluate capital budgeting projects, what's an appropriate dividend policy, what are good sources of financing, the trade-offs between risk and return with different sources of financing, how to value common stock, etc. The Advanced Financial Management course takes that basic information and attempts to apply that to a simulated company. So about two-thirds of the course involves having small groups of students, 2 to 3 students, managing companies in an effort to try to maximize shareholder wealth. We run 10 quarters, and so there are 10 sets of decisions, and those decisions involve the things that financial managers do. They have to decide on a dividend policy, they have to decide on the level of production, how much plant and machinery to purchase, where to get the financing to do the purchasing, capital budgeting projects that they want to adopt. So there are a lot of different decisions that need to be made. The teams compete against each other to try to see who can generate the greatest shareholder wealth. And of course, this has a very important part in determining their final grade for the course. So again, about two-thirds of the course is related to this simulation. Maybe 30% of the grade is a group grade based on company performance relative to the other FinGame companies. There's another small part of the grade, 15% of the grade, is a financial analysis, written analysis of the individual group's company versus other FinGame companies. And again, that is a group grade. And then there's a third group grade associated with doing some financial planning for the FinGame company, planning what financing is needed in the future, and how to conduct that financing, and that is another written grade. So the simulation grade totals about 60%. The remaining part of the course is class participation, and also we're going to cover some topics that we don't have time to cover in the Finance 501 class. Topics like the issuance of warrants and convertible securities by corporations, making the decision on whether to lease assets or borrow money and buy assets, and also the use of derivative securities as a means of minimizing the risk within the company. The textbook used in the course is the same textbook that you use in 501, so you don't need to buy a new textbook. There is a manual, FinGame manual. It's much less expensive to use. And if you have questions about anything, you can reach me at tveit@rollins.edu. Thank you.